first time eating some red pea soup. Michael Stubbs. Mmm. Mmm.
Fucking hell.
Peppery, eh?
Yeah, holy fuck, what is that there?
Some red pea soup, dog.
Jesus Christ.
Little bit of pepper here and there.
What's this right here?
I think it's beef.
It's like a really good stew. It's like a spicy stew.
Yeah.
I like that. I want to dig into the chicken first.
Yeah, man, get the chicken, bro. How you liking the jerk chicken there, bud?
Dude, it's fucking hot.
It's hot, eh? Spice up your life, Bregin.
Okay, what if we got her?
Jeez.
A witness, anything.
Woo. Nice.
We lift our hands to give you the praise, and we will praise you for the rest of our days. Yes, yes. We will praise you for the rest of our days. Come on, let's do kind of do this first. And if you love him, open up your mouth and glorify him. Let's take it a little higher. We clap our hands in the sanctuary. We clap our hands to give you the glory. We clap our hands to give you the praise.
The box me kanyam. You hear me? The box. Please.
Put a bit up.
Jesus Christ.
People in Jamaica will tell you that pan chicken and jerk chicken is the same thing. Babes, they're lying. I have just arrived and my first meal is always pan chicken. In case you're wondering what it is, baby, you have seen it before. It is that drum and it is not cooked with jerk spices. It is still got that smoky flavor, but they are getting seasoning inside the chicken where you did not even know seasoning could live. Like, honestly, look at the scallion. Look at the thyme. Look at the flavor. This is flavor. I always get leg and thigh because breast is just dry. Why would I do that? It comes with hardo bread like this, which is just, honestly, hardo bread and pan chicken match made in heaven. They will ask you, do you want ketchup or do you want pepper? Keep the ketchup. Keep it away from me. I don't like it. You know how I feel. But the pepper, add it on because more spice just tastes nice. Then I got some breadfruit. They don't always have breadfruit, but today they had breadfruit. I love roasted breadfruit. I like mine when it's a little bit ripe, a little bit sweeter, a bit softer. And if this is not a taste of Jamaica, baby, I don't know what is. It is the perfect way to say, yes, I have arrived. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer pan chicken or do you prefer jerk chicken?